Hey guys, welcome to Forex Family Empire. We're back again with another video. It's your boy K Smalls. Yeah guys, it's the start of a new week. We're gonna be trading NAS100, we're gonna be trading USD and gold. I'm already in few positions when it comes to NAS100. This is the analysis that I made, but I'm going to take out everything and show you why I got into that trade so that you can learn as well, guys. So let me show a screenshot of the trades that are basically running at the moment. We can see they are running with 2.8 right now. The reason why I entered this trade, let me just show you on the phone right here. It's because the market basically opened with a gap, and then that gap always has to be recovered. So when they recovered that gap right here, so we were able to see that they came back and retested the gap level. So that's when I entered my buying position. So the buying position right now, I'm busy holding. If we go back to the chart, we can see right now is basically running with 3.4, 3.3. So I'm going to be holding this trade up until this level, guys. So let me just stop this recording of the phone and analyze the market, guys. So basically, guys, how I entered this position, let me take out everything right here and analyze from scratch, guys. So you know how we do this thing, guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the higher time frame. What I'm going to do on the higher time frame is that I have to specify my highest point and the lowest point. So basically, this is where my highest point is at, and then this is where my lowest point is at right now. So after doing this, what I need to do when it comes to our strategy is that I need to identify the places whereby the market touches, the market reverses. So this is all the places that the market touches, the market reverses. We can see the market touched here, reversed. We can say here's another one. The market touched here, they reversed, they gave us a big movers to go to that top side. We see another one here. Let me just analyze those ones much quicker so that we don't make this video to be long. So we have this level here at the moment right now. We can see the market is trying to get to that level. So that's basically where we are right now when it comes to the levels, guys. So this is all the levels, guys. I just want to specify all this level for all the new guys that are watching this video so that they know how we analyze the market, guys. Once we are done to specify the levels that we need, the next step that we need to take is to specify the trend of the market, guys. Where is our trend? So the trend, we can see the trend has been in upward trend for quite a while right now, guys. So we can see they gave us a double bottom right here and started going to the top side. So we had this big trend here that was broken out. We've been speaking about this trend for way too long in this channel, guys. So we know that when a falling wedge is broken out, the TP of that falling wedge is going to be the top of the wedge, guys. So here the market, we really need the market to get to this level, guys. So before the market gets to this level, we need to always analyze each and every day just to get the direction. But yeah, overall the structure of the market is going to that specific level of the market, which is the top of the wedge. So the starting of the wedge is going to be there. Start of is going to be our TP, guys. So right now, where the market is basically going, we can see we have a resistance here. So this is a resistance. We're on a weekly time frame. Let me just go to a daily time frame so that we can see that resistance quite nicely. So we can see that we have a resistance on this level. We also have a support on this level, but this support hasn't gave us a retest, guys. So we might see a problem with those buying position, guys. So we can see that the market is basically on top of the resistance. They gave us a rejection, but we are busy eating with that rejection because we need to go to the lower time frame and see why I took those buying position, guys. So we can see that the market has to come back from here and start going to the downside, guys. So basically, let me just do this. Before we enter trade, we don't just jump into the trade. We can see the market is under the resistance. If it hits that resistance, that's where we need to start selling. But yeah, when we go to the lower time frame, you will see why I took the buying position. Let me see where my trade is at right now. Before we can see the market is going down right now. It's running with 2.5, 2.6 right now. Yeah, let me just show you the screenshot that I'm still holding the trade. So this is basically what it's doing right now. We can see this is what it's doing. I think I might close this trade much quicker, but yeah, let me analyze the market. I'll close the trade if I see other things on the market that I don't like, guys. So basically we need to specify the trend. We specify the trend. The trend was broken out. We can see we are going to the top side. If we take out the trend outside, we can see that we have a new trend that is formed outside, guys. So this trend is formed outside. I can connect the trend right here. Maybe I can connect this trend right here. So we can see this trend hasn't touched uh, the trend line on top, guys. So which means this is the reason why I got this buying positions. Basically, you'll see when I go to the lower time frame why I got those buying position. We can even try to put it here. If we put it here, it's even going to be much wider. But yeah, I like it to be somewhere here. And then yeah, let's basically see what's happening. I'm gonna move to H4, which is a lower time frame from where I am right now. So basically from H4, this is basically what we see when, let me just go to H1 because this is what why I spoke to that level. This trade, this chart for trade 245 doesn't have that gap, guys. So the reason why I entered that trade is because of the gap that I specified on the phone, because it's another broker that I'm using. It opened the market with the gap, but yeah, we can see that gap was somewhere here. We can see the market started playing around there, and then once they were on top of this, that's where I was able to enter the positions. We can see the market is still having the momentum to go to the top side. If I go to the lower time frame, which is a 30 minutes chart, guys, we can see that another reason why I bought this position is that we had another trend inside a trend. That trend was broken. The reason, let me see where the TP of this trend is gonna be. So I think my first take profit will be on top of this TP of the trend. So I'll take my profit here, guys. So this is basically where I think I'm gonna take the profit, and then wait for the market to go to the top side, and then I'll come back to it. Well, I'll come back with it a little bit longer, because right here when I'm looking at the market, guys, I think the market has to go to the top side, touch the resistance, or give us a basically double bottom before we start going to the downside, guys. So this is basically what I'm thinking. You see this resistance, it's even big right now because we went to the lower time frame, but that's basically what I'm seeing, guys, at the moment. Yeah, guys, once the market hits those level, I'm going to take my profits, or I'll see what pattern I'm getting when it comes to this level, guys. But yeah, I'm still holding the trade. Let me see exactly what's gonna be happening, guys. Let me go to the 15 minutes chart and see what's going to be happening. I think we're going to be having a problem when it comes to this level. If the market hits this level, this is where we're going to have a problem. We might get a reversal, guys, and exactly the reversal is on top of the TP that I put from this channel that we had, guys. So this channel that we had, we can see it gave us a breakout from the outside. Right now they're going to the top side. On top of that TP, this is where we are seeing we're gonna see maybe a rejection or something. So but once they break out this thing and start going to the top side, if they break it out from here on top, you can add other buys here if you have another account. So you can add other buys up until you go with it to the top side. That's basically my gaming plan at the moment. This is what I'm going to be doing, and I think the market might even move further to the top side and not create double bottoms. But yeah, we might not create double bottoms when I'm looking at it, guys. So but that's basically what I'm seeing when it comes to NAS100. This is NAS100. Let me jump into so I think NAS100 is going to be doing this. So our overall structure, we need to come back to this level, guys. So but before coming back to this level, is either we need to get a double bottom on this line, or we need to come back and touch this trend line here. So the trend line is basically on top of 15892. So get that level right. 15 where it is, 15909 basically. So that's basically where it is. Yeah, between the 892 and the 909, that's where the level is, where we're gonna be needing to start selling our position. So I'm gonna be marking it like this. This is our selling position, but right now we know that we're in the buying position when it comes to Nasdaq, guys. So guys, let me jump over to gold without wasting any more time, guys. I analyzed gold way too long. You know that I analyzed gold on CPI as well, but the CPI trade didn't go as we planned. But yeah, guys, we move, we move. We don't lose hope. We don't lose momentum. We always make. We know that when we come back with much power, guys. When I'm looking at gold, guys, I don't know if I should remove everything because this chart still looks relevant, guys. Remember, even on CPI, I said we're gonna be selling, guys. I think I said we're gonna be selling gold up until this level. I don't think I need to reanalyze this chart because we already analyzed Nasdaq, and you saw how I got to this point when I put the lines, I put everything, so we can see gold has formed a resistance on top of this level here. So this level here was very, very important for gold. So if we move to the lower time frame, we can see basically what's happening with gold. Let me go to 1 hour time frame. So let me see 1 hour time frame. We can see, guys, I've already put some lines there. Gold, I'm expecting selling position right now, guys. So once gold is breaking out right here, we can wait for them to break out, go to the downside, breakout. When they come and retest this region here, this is where we're going to be starting to sell again up until we come to this level, guys. Because already the higher time frame, we had a trend, guys. So this trend was broken out, which is very, very very strong, guys. So this trend gave us basically three touches. We have one touch, two touch, and then the third touch. And by the rules of the market, when we have a third touch, we know that the market will reverse on that third touch. We were able to reverse on that third touch, but right now the third touch goes broken out right here. So once the market is broken out from the third touch, we know that the momentum has to change right now to go to the bottom side, because the rising wedge that we started from this level has broken out right here, guys. So this is where the rising wedge is broken out. So we can see once the market broke out from that level, they gave us a broke out, and then they came back. Now we are arranging this thing as a retest for the rising wedge. So right now they retested here. We're expecting gold to start moving to the downside, and then the TP of that, we know that the start of the wedge is always our TP. So that's basically what I see when it comes to gold, guys. Yeah, I know this chart is now looking like it's crazy, but yeah, I think I was just trying to make sure that I explain this chart very nicely for you so that you understand how we analyze this thing. So let me take out everything that I just drew that makes this chart to be ugly. But yeah, guys, we can see when it comes to gold, we're expecting selling positions, guys. We're expecting selling positions. The reason why we're expecting selling position is that we wanted the market to come back, retest that. But we can see that the market is trying to give us this channel here. It looks like it's a consolidation to continue the market to go to the upside. But yeah, but based on the analysis and based on the technical analysis that I use, is that if they break out here, come back and retest, we're going to the downside with it. But if they come back and start playing be above this level here, which is this level, we know that if they play above this level, we know that yes, the buying momentum are strong. The buying momentum are strong if they start playing above this level. Let me check my trade guide where the market is at right now. Um, I think I'm gonna close this trade. We can see right now the market is basically running with 3.3. They are on 3.4 thousand right now. Let me just show you. Let me just record right now. So this is the trade that I'm in right now. We can see it's running with 3.3. It's running with 3.4. But yeah, guys, before they hit my TP, I'm not gonna close. Let me just wait for them up until they hit that TP, and then that's basically what I'm gonna be doing. So this is the trade that I'm at right now. We can see right now it's going to 3.5, 3.6. That's basically what I'm going to do. Which other currency pairs did I say I'm going to analyze with you guys? I think I said I'm going to be analyzing USDT as well. So this is USDT. We can see they gave us a lot of rejections here, guys. So, but I don't want this video to be long, guys. You know that Nasdaq and USDT, they basically take the same directions. So Nasdaq and USDT always take same directions to go to the top side, but not like correlation the same way every time. But yeah, guys, we know that if Nasdaq is going up, USDT will go up. So that's basically it for now. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video so that you can get notified every time I post new videos, guys. I hope you enjoy this kind of videos. I'll see you on another one. That's it for me. Bye bye.